Sam, let's talk a little bit about the game you've been playing as of late. Do you feel that you've improved? Because in the last couple of weeks, it seems like you're on a tear.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know if I'd call it a tear, but I felt pretty confident out there the last couple of games, and it's been getting lots of ice time, getting put out there in key situations, so it felt good.
Do you think being out there in those situations helps as far as confidence and level of ability?
Yeah, I think so. I mean, I want to be the type of player that they can put out there in key situations, and yeah, for sure, it helps the confidence out.
You look around at the guys around you, and now there's a fair number of veterans out there. Who do you think you're looking at, and who's helping you out?
Yeah, we got a great group of older guys here. I think we got a really good mixture of young guys and old guys, and a lot of vocal guys in between periods. Even Drew McIntyre, our goalie, is one of the most vocal guys in between periods, and it definitely helps for us young guys to listen to what they have to say, and it usually works.
You got out there in a situation the other night, time ticking away, and we're asked to get the puck deep and make sure that the Marlies hung on to it. What's it like to have that confidence put in you?
Yeah, it's huge. I mean, I definitely feel better out there when I'm getting put out there regularly, and it's just the way I've been playing lately, it's helped me a lot. So it feels good.
You get a guy like Josh Levo, who was also out there doing a pretty good job at the end of the game the other night. Connection point for you?
Yeah, he's a great player. I mean, he's really easy to play with. He finds me. All I got to do is just get open, and he'll put the puck on my tape. And it's been great having some chemistry with him.
Now, things got pretty deep here pretty quick as far as some guys coming in, guys like Troy Bodie coming in. And does that require you to step up your game?
For sure, yeah. It's definitely competitive. We're getting more and more forwards come in. For our D, it's always been competitive all year for them, and it's really starting to thicken up front now too. So, even having veteran guys, it helps a lot. But guys are doing whatever they can to get in the lineup.
Would it surprise you to know that you're leading the team in penalty minutes, and did you expect that?
A little bit, yeah. I think I got a 10-minute, and I think that helps a lot, getting one of those. But it is surprising.